What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a hat. These are a little bit different than the dad hats. They are the trucker hats, which are foam fronts. They do have a foam panel in the front of it, so it is kind of a softer and I won't say thicker, but it is raised a little bit. So that's what we'll be embroidering on. And what we will be embroidering is a logo or just a name for a car wash and detailing place. So we will be doing that. Their name is Young Kings Car Wash and Detailing. So I will leave everything in the link below and right here on screen. I will put the address. So if you guys want to ever stop by, if you're in the Cleveland area, here is the address. So go ahead and, you know, support, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the video now, guys. Stay tuned. And if you could do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Let's get into the video. Okay, so we do have our stabilizer already right here, our cap backing stabilizer. If you need to know where to find this will be in the description below. So we have that, and these are the hats that I was telling you about. So it's kind of like a soft feel to it. It's not like the dad hats. So these will be the hats for the car wash. So let's go ahead and hoop it. Let's go ahead and get this situated now. Just try to make sure I can get that center seam. Okay. Looks about right. Smooth that down. And we are going to add our clips. Let's pull it. Add a clip there. And then one to the other side. Everything looks straight, tight. So we are going to go ahead and swing it over to the embroidery machine and get everything set up from there, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, what I do want to say is that I did switch the hats because the original hat was the one that was going to get embroidered on, which was the customer's, but I didn't want to mess it up because this is going to be like a rough draft. So what I went ahead and did was just hooped one of my regular hats, which are the dad hats. And we're going to do the rough draft on that hat instead of messing up the customer's hat. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I will have all of the information on the screen, as you can see right here. If you need a car wash, and also if you need anything as far as food, they have walking tacos, Polish boys, fries, hamburgers, chips, drinks, freshly squeezed lemonade, as well as bean pops. Also, guys, if you are still watching the video, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It helps out the channel a lot. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys. And once again, if I haven't said it before, thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for even commenting on the videos just to get some feedback. And I do appreciate that, guys. So I'm learning as well as teaching, and it's amazing. So stay tuned to the video. So this is the last part, which is the S and Young Kings. Then we're going to be going into the small lettering, which would say car wash and detailing. Looking good so far. everything is done, looking good, looking great. So what I am going to do is go ahead and take it out of the hoop and show you guys the final result. So stay tuned to the video. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about the hat. That's the mannequin head. Just bought it. Look nice. Excuse me. Let me know what you guys think about the hat. Did it come out good? It looks clean. The number and information for the car wash, if you are in the Cleveland area, go ahead and look them up. Also, I do have this. So this is the address and everything in the description below. So definitely go check that out. And here goes the hat once again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.